Hello there, everybody. So this video is the start of a series on how to make a story game on Roblox. In this video, we're going to cover the first and probably most essential part, planning it. So let's get started by opening up like a notepad or something like that, just somewhere where you can jot down stuff. So I'm going to keep what I type in this note in the description. But anyway, so we're going to cover like some essential points when planning a story game in this video. The name of the story game, the setting, like where it is, the guide, monster, and challenges. So the name of, we're going to go over each of those. So first of all, the name. I was thinking my name could be tropical. Setting. An island resort. Let's see, the guide. I was thinking the players could guide themselves, like, let's go to the beach. And like everyone, like there might also be some NPCs, like say the pilot who's flying the plane. He's like, get into your seat. We're going through turbulence, or we're landing, right? And then like there might be like the people who pick them up at the end of the game, or like, you know, just some NPCs here and there, but mostly the players are gonna guide themselves in my game. And then we've covered the name, setting, and guide. Now the monster, a monster that haunts the island, and challenges, the longest part of planning. So I was thinking first they're in the airplane, right? The pilot's like, sit down, we're taking off. So sit down. Okay, so like they're landing. So once they've landed at the island airport, get into the airport bus and sit down. Then the bus will go to the resort. And then they're like, wow. And then like it's like explore the resort, right? And then they go to bed. In the middle of the night, a player's like, everybody wake up, there's a what's that? And then they're like, oh no, it's a monster, run! So in the scenes where like the monster is attacking the player, we call it a monster chase scene. So yes. And then after the monster disappears, after like say a minute, they're gonna be like, what was that? And another guy's like, oh, it's a monster, right? And then so then they try escaping, but then they find that the gate in front of the resort is locked, so they just go back to sleep. And then in the morning they decide to build a raft. So build a raft, and then they sail away, and then they're picked up by a cruise ship, right? That's like so yes, so this is like my story game plan. As we code the story game, we're obviously going to make some edits to this, maybe make it better, like create more challenges, maybe create a backstory for the monster. But other than that, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe so you'll know when we post the next video in the series. And yes, that's it. Thanks for watching.